What's up, guys? I haven't been uploading videos for a while now, and something happened this morning. I had my first 10 hour trade today, which also passed me my phase one account. So I just want to make a video. I want to make a video about the trade that passed me my phase one. So as you can see, this trade was on DAX. That's the GL30. It was a sale, as you can see. So I closed somewhere around here. Because I was looking for about, I think about 6% or so. I made about 6% from this trade. Yeah, no partial closing, just one entry, and I was holding it till my full take profits at this area, somewhere around this area. So, but my actual take profit was around there, somewhere around this area. It was around 1:10. I think this stop loss was adjusted or something like that. But it was a 1:10 trade. So as you can see, the market just end up dipping. Like, the prediction was just on another level. So let me just do the analysis that was behind the trade. Let me go to the 30 minutes first. You can see right here, what are we forming? Yeah, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Just basic market structure, lower high, then the lower low is somewhere around this area. So seeing this kind of move, and knowing that we were already bullish from this area before, I was looking for buys before. But coming to this day, actually this trade was yesterday. This trade was taken yesterday. So coming to yesterday, I saw that we were forming this market structure to the downside. So then what I did next was that, to be sure the market is actually ready to sell, so I went to 4 hour. So as you can see, this red line that I put here was around there on the 4 hour time frame. So I just marked out the area where the market structure actually started forming, which was here, this area. As you can see, if I go to the 4 hour, so I marked out the area right there. You can see none of the 4 hour candles closed above this area, none of them. So let's say that is the first reaction from that area. Look at it right here again. Though some of the candle closed above the area, but look at what happened when market came to that same area at this spot. Look at the rejection to the downside. So that's the second. And even this area, the market was just consolidating around that same price level. And you can see what happened, the dip before the consolidation that actually led to the actual dip right here. So that was the second area. Look at it right here again. That's the third area. And this pushed the market to the upside. That is telling us that this price level area is a very strong area. Look at it right here again. Push market to the downside right here. So I already know that, okay, with this market structure forming, it is time to start looking for sales. So that was when I upped to the 30 minutes and I was actually marking out this area right here. My liquidity was somewhere around here. My liquidity was here. But as you can see, price just destroyed that POI. The next one I was looking for was this area again. Sorry about that. The next one I was looking for was this area right here. As you can see, market destroyed it again. So this was the third area that actually got respected. So as you can see, the entry, no candle closure in the zone, followed by a bearish candle closure. I could have entered the flip on this candle right here. I could have entered the flip, but I was not on the chart. So I was even lucky because when I came back to the chart, I was able to enter somewhere around this area. Even though the market was like pushing towards this high right here, see if it is going to stop it out. But I was like, okay, we already have this this candle here respecting the POI, and then we have this bullish, this bearish closure right here, meaning that there is already a flip entry that I missed at this area. So I should have been in this trade at this candle right here. So but I missed it because I was not on the chart. So I think I got in somewhere around here. I was up about 1.2% on my account or so. So this trade made me 7%. This trade made me 7%. So I was just targeting the I think it was about 1:7.5 hour or so. So yeah. So when I got to 1:7.5 hour right here, I just closed out the trade because I was already up 8%. So now I am in the phase 2. I've been trading for about it should be for about 5 years now, but I would say 3 years out of those 5 years was in and out. I was not very, very, very serious. Like I'll just trade for a month or two, then I'll come back, change strategy, trade again for a month or two, go, come back. After 2 to 3 months, change strategy again. So I was just changing up and down until last year. So the beginning of last year, that was when I started buying pop firms. Right now I have failed about 3 pop firm challenge. 3. I've never even passed phase 1 in my life before. So this is my 4th one, and I passed my phase 1 in one trade after getting up to 1%. So yeah, I already received my second phase account, and actually I got 2 setups today, and 2 of them was a loss. So I'm down about 1.3% or so. But that doesn't mean anything to me, because in trading, we look at how many trades you have taken over a certain period of time. Not just, you don't look at trading with just the look of 1, 2, 3 trades. So it's about 10 trades, right? About 10 trades, 6 trades, 5 trades here. So I've taken just 2 trades on the account, and I'm down about 1.3% because I usually risk $30 to $35, or let's just say $33 maximum on my new accounts, because I don't like risking the 0.5. I don't like risking the 0.5 because I believe it is going to take a little bit longer. Not like a little bit longer, but I'm not just comfortable with risking 0.5. So I would prefer risking $30 instead of $25 on the 5K. So I'll prefer risking $30. So once I'm up about 2%, I'm going to increase my risk to about $45. Not actually risking the full 1%. And the reason why I'll be risking $45 is leaving the remaining $5 to cover for commission and all those other stuff. You understand? So I'm down about 1% right now. But let's see. This month I believe I'm going to get funded. Yeah. I believe I'm going to get funded this month. This is going to be the best year gift ever. I pray it does happen. So I'll be I'm going to be uploading whatever trades I'm taking on this my second phase account, and I'll be doing it consistently as from now, because I've been going off and on, but now I'm going to be consistent. So again, if you want me to explain my strategy and how I trade, you can drop a comment, and I'll make a video about it separately. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. See you in the next one.